What's up, guys? If your Android phone is missing the NFC option, don't panic. It's actually super easy to fix and enable. In this quick guide, I'll show you where to find NFC and how to turn it on in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. Take your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Then swipe down again to fully expand the quick settings menu. Now look for the small gear symbol and tap on it to open your settings. Once the settings page, scroll down carefully and find an option called Connections or sometimes Connected Devices depending on your phone brand. Tap on it. Inside the Connections menu, you will see different features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile networks. Here look for NFC or NFC and contactless payments. This is the main setting that controls tap to pay and data sharing features. If you find it turned off, simply tap the toggle switch to turn it on. That's it. Your NFC feature is now activated and ready to use for payments, pairing devices, or sharing data quickly. Keep in mind, if you don't see the NFC option at all, it might be because your phone model doesn't support it or it is disabled by the manufacturer. This is common in some budget or older Samsung and Android devices. So don't panic if it's missing. Your device may simply not have the hardware support. And boom, NFC is enabled. Now you can use tap to pay and smart sharing anytime. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit like and stay connected for more fast Android tricks. Peace out.